Look at that delicious spaghetti and egg topped with fresh coriander and green pepper. Let's learn how to make it simple but very tasty dish step by step. To start, I boil my 2 tomatoes. This helps to remove the outer skin easily and it gives the sauce a smoother texture. Once boiled, I peel off the skin and dice the tomatoes into pieces. Here are my ingredients: tomatoes, spaghetti, chopped onions, paprika, black pepper, green pepper, 4 eggs, soy sauce and coriander. I now boil my water. For spaghetti, I sprinkle in a pinch of salt. Then I cover the pot in order to boil well. I break my 4 eggs. Then I whisk my eggs very well with fork. I heat some oil in a pan. My water is now ready. So I add in my full-size spaghetti. Then I pour in my eggs. I fry slowly on low flame. This helps them to stay soft and fluffy inside instead of burning too quickly. As my eggs cook, I check on the progress of my spaghetti. As you can see, the down part is already soft, so I have to use fork to push it down to let all of it get ready at once. Now let's finish frying our scrambled eggs. They are ready. Now it's time to press them aside. I heat a little amount of oil in a pan. I stir in my spaghetti with a fork. This helps them not to break. Now I add in my onions. I saute the onions until soft. Then I add in paprika for color and flavor. Next, I add in black pepper for a warm aroma. I stir well so all spices combine nicely. Then I add in my diced tomatoes. I stir very well to combine. I cover the pot to simmer. Now let me check on the progress of my spaghetti. As you can see, it's now ready and soft. I have to make sure that it doesn't overboil. It has to be soft but not overboiled. Now I check on my tomato sauce base. I give it a stir. Now I add in the scrubbed eggs. I stir very well to combine. Look how beautiful it looks. Now it's time to add in our spaghetti. I add in my boiled spaghetti, making sure they mix evenly. I stir carefully so that the sauce coats everything well. Then I add in my chopped green pepper for that freshness and beautiful color. Let us garnish with coriander. It adds a fresh aroma and a lovely finish to the dish. And there we have it. Our tasty spaghetti and eggs are ready to be served. Soft, flavorful and full of color. Try this recipe at home and you will see how easy it is to make something so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share for more authentic recipes from my kitchen.